United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea. Article 124. Use of terms. 1. For the purposes of this convention. A. Landlocked state means a state which has no sea coast. B. Transit state means a state, with or without a sea coast, situated between a landlocked state and the sea, through whose territory traffic in transit passes. C. Traffic in transit means transit of persons, baggage, goods, and means of transport across the territory of one or more transit states, when the passage across such territory, with or without trans-shipment, warehousing, breaking bulk or change in the mode of transport, is only a portion of a complete journey which begins or terminates within the territory of the landlocked state. D. Means of transport means I. Railway rolling stock, C. Lake and river craft and road vehicles. 2. Where local conditions so require, porters and pack animals. 2. Landlocked states and transit states may, by agreement between them, include as means of transport pipelines and gas lines and means of transport other than those included in paragraph 1.